I'm back over here on the signal box today, and I pulled the signal box out. I'm doing some work on plantings and grasses and shrubs and weeds and things over here. I'm going to plant some more, but right now I'm experimenting with the airbrush to see if I can shoot some yellow, not yellow, but a dark yellow on the tops, a light brown, a buff, I guess, on the tops of some of these plants that I've laid in. I have the area masked so I don't get paint all over all this. It avoids a lot of track cleaning, honestly. So that's what I'm doing. I just thought I'd show you from over there first. I have some desert yellow, kind of a buff color. I want to try shooting it just across the tops of some of these taller plants as an experiment. If it doesn't work out, well, I'll just have to repaint them green and start over. I think it might be kind of interesting to do this. Let me get my airbrush going and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got a few drops. While doing something like this, you have to be careful to feed just the right amount of paint to make it work. Otherwise, you just blast it all over the place. What I'm trying to do is just get the tops of them. I was semi-successful, but it's okay.